Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tal. Okay, so the first thing to today, we need to make sure we have our alcoholic beverage and also not wearing any pants. Okay, so let's begin. Make sure the grill is at a constant 400 degrees. There you go. Yeah. Open that bad boy up. Make sure you got the butter going. And then here we go. We got the steak and lobster. You just want to go ahead and dip that lobster in the butter, and then we're good to go. Now I'm trying to do this left-handed, and I'm a right-handed guy, so here we go. Let's hope for the best. I'll update you guys later so I can use both hands. Peace. Okay, guys, welcome back to Cooking with Tal. Okay, so what you want to do is put it for a minute and a half on one side, face down after you soaked it in butter. Let the flames get right into that bad boy. Depends how you like your steak, though. If you like your steak like kind of like burnt on the outside and really raw on the inside, then you just keep the same cycle as this. But yeah, I'm definitely that kind of guy. So welcome back. I'll update you guys later on Cooking with Tal. Okay, welcome back to Cooking with Tal. And to find the perfect way to end this is look at that succulent meat right there. Yeah. I was actually looking at myself when I said that, but anyways, here's a salad and some wood, and I'm not going to go any farther than that.